Kardom Nilijunaliti Mungpi, Kat News Bhomkuru Abirta Harjuitha. Difu Police Reserve arai along Kedo, Assam Hills Medical College and Research Institute pen 3rd grade lapen 4th grade Voreng Anghoi kapa pleng jiapan apun acak kecok abang pu bang pia tumpen kacuning rialo hang bomlo. Non ang ton pen arjuitha. Difu Police Reserve arai along Kedo Assam Hills Medical College lapen Research Institute pen 3rd grade lapen 4th grade Voreng Anghoi kapa pleng jiapan apuna cak kicok abang pubang pia tumpen kacuning ri alo hang bomlo. 3rd grade Voreng Anghoi pangrumpet inghoi troksi kepra kethom lapen 4th grade along Voreng Anghoi pangrumpet pharu isi rapli kepra ner kep ando. 3rd grade apan Kacharli Higher Secondary unangji lapen 4th grade apan ner kep an unangji. 3rd grade Technician Laboratory along inghoi thom kep ner kep Technician Radiography along inghoi ner kep ang pada ason technical Voreng Anghoi dulang. Halapu 4th grade ward boy, ward girl, Voreng Anghoi pokep truck. Grade 4 inghoi cap, attendance inghoi rapli. Laboratory attendance inghoi truck, pion inghoi pli. Draptari inghoi pli, darkroom assistant inghoi truck lapen. Stretcher barrier inghoi truck, Voreng Anghoi do. Kacuning ria lo kijok nang jiani jakhong truck ani ben jakhong inghoi isiani an. Laso Voreng Anghoi apan an to se kachini jiapan. Directorate of Health Education a website www.dme.assam.gov.in along humri iktame. Pini Bhomkuru Abirta la ansikang ton po iklo, puthot mo aroy Bhomkuru ar nile che tong iklo na, dume thakme kurwang thu.